Hey everyone, it's me Jenny and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this woman's summer top. This is a very easy pattern and this is where your arm's supposed to go, but my mannequin doesn't have arm, but you saw me wearing this top early of this video. Okay, so this is a repeat of 2 rows pattern and you can wear a spaghetti strap under this top. So this is a one size fit all. I am a size medium and as you can see it is loose on me, but it is meant to be loose so you don't feel it's too tight on your body. Okay, so let me show you how to do this top. Okay, so for this summer top we're going to do 2 square of this. It is not exact square, the measurement it is from the top, the width from one end to one end, it is 23 inches. Okay, 23 inches, and from top to bottom it is measure 20 inches. Okay, so we just basically going to do 2 square and going to attach them once we're done with both squares. Okay, for the yarn I'm going to be using this yarn. This is a mill end yarn I got from AC Moore. It doesn't have a brand, but the texture it is more like Karen Simply Soft. It is a worsted weight yarn, 100% acrylic. Okay, worsted weight yarn number 4. And for the crochet hook I'm going to be using 5.5 millimeter. And if you don't have this kind of yarn, you can use any worsted weight yarn number 4 that you have, but just keep in mind that the measurement might be different. Okay, you want to start by making a slip knot. Okay, now chain 82. Okay, make 82 chain. Okay, so once you made all 82 chain, now for row 1 we're going to make 80 double crochet. Okay, 80 double crochet, and the first double crochet you want to start from the 3rd chain from the crochet hook 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so make 80 double crochet and start from the 3rd chain from the crochet hook. Okay, so just go ahead and finish up row 1 and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so once you're done with row 1, this is how it's going to look like. And now let's start with row 2. Okay, so for row 2 we're going to start with chain 2, 1, 2. Now we're going to turn the work and we're going to make 1 double crochet into the first stitch. Okay, so next we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and now we're going to skip 2 stitch, 1, 2, and we're going to make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Okay, so next make another 1 double crochet. Okay, so next we're going to repeat the same, chain 2, 1, 2, skip 2 stitch, 1, 2, and make 2 double crochet, 1, and next stitch another 1 double crochet. Okay, so repeat the same, chain 2, 1, 2, skip 2 stitch, 1, 2, and we're going to make 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Okay, so you want to repeat the same sequence, chain 2, skip 2 stitch and 2 double crochet until you have 3 stitch left. Okay, so just go ahead and finish up row 2. Do the same sequence, chain 2, skip 2 stitch and 2 double crochet. Okay, do it until you have 3 stitch left, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so once you reach the end and now you have 3 stitch left. Okay, so next we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to skip 2 stitch, and we're going to make 1 double crochet into the last stitch. Okay, so done with row 2. And now for row 3 we're going to start with chain 2 and we're going to make 80 double crochet. Okay, so for round 3 is going to be a solid double crochet row. Okay, so we're going to do the first double crochet into the first stitch, and now we're going to make 2 double crochet into the chain 2 space, 2. So next we're going to make 1 double crochet on top of each double crochet from the previous row. And another double crochet. So next 2 double crochet into the chain 2 space, and 1 double crochet on top of each double crochet from the previous row. Okay, so just repeat the same, make 2 double crochet at the chain 2 space and 1 double crochet on top of each double crochet from the previous row. Okay, so go ahead and finish up row 3, make 80 double crochet. Okay, so I'm gonna meet you at the end of row 3. Okay, so once you're done with row 3, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so for the next few row 4 until row 31, we're going to repeat row 2 and row 3. Okay, so it's going to be a repeat of 2 patterns. Okay, so now for row 4, we're going to start with chain 2. We're going to repeat the row 2. Okay, start with chain 2, and we're going to make the first double crochet into the first stitch. Next we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and now skip 2 stitch, 1, 2, and 2 double crochet, 1, and next stitch another 1 double crochet. Okay, so repeat chain 2, skip 2 stitch, 1, 2, and we're going to make 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Okay, so repeat until you reach end of row 4, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, once you reach the end, for this row, for every chain 2, skip 2 and 2 double crochet row, you want to end up finish every row with chain 2 and 1 double crochet into the last stitch. Okay, so done with row 4. For the next row is going to be row 5. We're going to do 80 double crochet. So start with chain 2, turn the work, and make 80 double crochet. Okay, so just go ahead and finish up until you reach row 31, and you want to make 2 pieces of this square. Okay, so once you finish the first piece, go ahead and make the second piece. Repeat the same, chain 82, and for row 1 make 80 double crochet and repeat row 2 and 3 until you reach row 31. Okay, go ahead and finish up and make 2 pieces of this square, and I'll meet you once you're done with both pieces. Okay, so once you get both pieces done, so this is my first piece and this is the second piece. Okay, so next I'm going to show you how to attach these both pieces together, but make sure you know which one is your front, the right side, and which one is your wrong side. But it really doesn't matter where you want it to be facing, because for me the wrong side looks as good as the right side. Okay, so now it's time to attach both pieces together. So first grab your yarn and make a slip knot. Okay, now we're going to do attach both pieces by doing single crochet. You can start from the bottom right here if you want, but for me I'm going to start few rows up because I want to have a slit, a very short slit. So I'm going to start right here. So just basically make 2 single crochet on each row. Okay, so because every row we made double crochet, so you want to make 2 single crochet onto each row so you won't have a tight stitch when you turn your work around. Okay, so just go ahead and attach both pieces together using the single crochet stitch. Okay, do it until you reach row 21. Okay, so once you're done until you reach row 21, go ahead and chain 1 to secure all stitches and cut the yarn. Okay, so done with one side, and this is how it looks like from the right side. Okay, so go ahead and do the same at the other side. Attach both together using single crochet stitch and do it until row 21. Okay, so once you're done attaching both pieces together at the side, go ahead and turn the piece inside out. Okay, it really doesn't matter which one is the front and which one is the back, both pieces going to look the same. So next I'm going to show you how to do the shoulder strap. It is very easy. Grab the yarn and make a slip knot. Okay, now we're going to count 28 stitches from this end, 28 stitches. Okay, so once you count 28 stitches, we're going to do chain 5 at the 28th stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So chain 5. Next we're going to slip stitch this to the back piece, and we're going to do the same, count 28 stitches. Okay, so once you counted 28 stitches, go ahead and slip stitch the chain 5 piece to the back piece. Okay, slip stitch. Once you're done, chain 1 to secure and cut the yarn. Cut it slightly long, just enough for you to weave in ends. And next we're going to do the same with the other strap. So going to count 28 stitches. Okay, so once you counted 28 stitches, and make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to slip stitch at the back piece and do the same, count 28 stitches. Okay, go ahead and slip stitch. Okay, now chain 1 and cut the yarn. So next we're going to do the same for the arms, where we're going to do chain 5. Right here I'm going to use the last piece, this end right here, because I have enough yarn to do chain 5. Okay, if you don't have enough yarn, just go ahead, use a new piece, do chain 5 and attach it to the other piece or the back piece. Okay, so chain 1 to secure and pull the yarn. Okay, so next we're going to do the same for the arm, the other side. Okay, so once you're done with all that, this is how it looks like. But now all you need to do is weave in all the ends. Okay, so there's a lot of ends need to weave in. So go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna meet you once you're done. Okay, so once you weave in ends, this is how it's going to look like. It looks neater, and you're all set to enjoy your summer top. I do hope you find this tutorial easy to follow. If you do have any question, as usual, leave your question at the comment section down below. I will try my best to reply. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. That way you won't miss any of my future upload. Follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram. Okay, for now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and happy crochet. Bye.